Hi guys, so we're finally. I've convinced Tavanya to come from Delhi so that we can go for Coldplay. And in that, my Chachu has also come from Delhi, so we're all going for Coldplay.
It's our whole family going for Coldplay actually.
Basically, and I'm very excited. We're looking like
I told you,
twins.
yeah.
We're exactly looking like twins. Except she's looking a lot more like shinier, like a sky full of stars vibe. I'm just looking like a fix you because I'm a mess. So. Hi Sparky. This is Bombay's Barney for y'all. That's my Chachu. That's my Chachu. We got him from Delhi. That's also my other Chachu, but he's not coming. So. If I did this with Barney, my mom would throw me out of the house. I just want y'all to know. So now the plan is that we're going to eat lunch, and for lunch we have mutton and we have dhan saag and we have rice also. It's very tough to talk. Okay guys, so we are ready and we are going. Actually it's 1 o'clock and the concert starts at 7, but we have to leave from here at 3 because apparently everyone's like there's too much rush and you have to be on time and stuff like that. So now the plan is to eat lunch. So we're gonna eat mutton and dhan saag for lunch, which I love. And then hopefully that will keep us full because we're not getting food till now 10. We're going in the car with my mommy and she was like, I'll bring theplas in case you kids get hungry. And I was like, feels like I'm like 5 years old. You know, my mom used to carry in the car food for me. We're trying to see if we should pre before we go or we should pre in the car because the car ride is pretty long, like an hour or 2 hours or something. So we might just pre in the car. Don't know what the scene is. Yeah, I'm so glad. I have been just begging people that can we go, can we go, can we go, and no, everyone's like no, 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 and I'm like, Arey, but it's even if you know, chalo 3-4 songs, okay, just for the vibe of it, because my friends have been before and they were like, it was the best experience. So I'm like, just for the vibe of it, I just want to go. And then suddenly I got this call and they're like, we have an extra ticket. I'm like, oh my god, Tavanya, you have to come, you have to come. So then yeah, basically everyone's here. But yeah, I'm excited. The basic songs here and there, so I like. I don't know why this has become a thing now. Every time I tell people like I'm going for Coldplay, their first response is, tell me 5 songs. Arey, 5 songs though I'll know na. They're such a big band. 5 songs so I'll tell you. Sky Full of Stars, Fix You, Yellow, Paradise, something just like this. Then Hymn for the Weekend, Viva La Vida. See, I know. People think I don't because I don't talk much and I'm not like, yeah. But I know. I do my homework and go.
Vlog.
So that's rajma, mutton, salad, dahi papri and bhindi. And that's everyone. Oh, that's dhan saag. Oh my god. Is it closed properly?
I don't know, you know.
Okay guys, so we're gonna try the drink that Tavanya has made for us to take. Not bad. Good. Guys, it's like we're going for a picnic. Look at how many snacks we have. But I think it's a good thing because I am the person who's gonna get hangry and upset the fastest. So it's time to start the party. Party in a bottle. Please purchase them from Amazon. I'll put the links down below. Yeah. So basically we're going. It's still 1 hour away.
It's not 1 hour, it's 30 minutes.
Okay, it's still 30 minutes away and we have 30 minutes to finish this entire bottle.
You're failing.
So she doesn't know our strengths.
I don't.
We're almost there. We're almost done.
20 minutes.
20 minutes, we're almost done. And every single car on the road is going to Coldplay. Everyone is going to Coldplay. Crazy.
Fun.
Guys, that's a
We
circus.
passed the circus.
I have not seen a circus in like 10 years. The only time I ever went to a circus is when I was like 6 or 7 years old and I only saw
Full
trapeze
bhashan
artists.
she's
That's
giving.
it.
Full bhashan.
There are too many people talking every time I decide to start talking on camera. Otherwise, no one is talking in this car. That's all. But we're almost there. We're 10 minutes away.
Still not gonna finish
The
it.
best way to carry any liquid, pulpit.
bro advertising.
Okay, guys, we're walking towards the stadium
On the
now.
streets of Mumbai.
I don't like vlogging in public, as you all know. I find it very stressful.
She's a vlogger, guys.
But there are so many people going. I don't know if you can tell. So many people. But we are on the empty side of the road for some reason. I think we're on the wrong side. I hate when old people learn new words and they start using it in their daily sentence. AKA him. He's just like, you can't walk with us because you have no riz. What is riz?
Riz, bro. You don't know what Riz is?
Okay guys, we've made it to gate 5 and we're in the line. My mommy has been running. I don't know why they're running. Nothing has started. It's literally not started.
The first thing has started.
What?
That's
Who?
random.
Who?
That
No,
is
who
a
is the
random
first
man. We want good front standing.
I just have to pee. Guys, we're here. Shit. Shit. Crazy. I don't know if you can tell, but there are at least like 20,000 people here. It's crazy.
I know the song. I danced on the song.
Guys, I'm so exhausted. So mine was the only ticket that was from gate 5. Tavanya and Udichachu and everyone have gone from gate 6.
You all have me.
They are useless. They want to be next to the stage. And I'm like, I don't want to be next to the stage. And I'm just trying to find Tavanya and Udichachu and the whole gang. And I'm seeing right side, they're going on the left side. I'm seeing right side, they're going on the left. I have been calling them. There is no signal in this place. I am exhausted. I feel like I'm in a Kumbh ka Mela and I'm lost. And these two. खोई सोई सड़कों पे सितारों के कंधों पे हम नाचते उड़ते हैं यहाँ Guys, Coldplay hasn't come yet, so I am sitting on the floor. I can literally see people's legs. I don't know how people like to stand right in front next to the stage. My cup of tea. Guys, someone should invent a portable stool that I can put in my pocket and bring to concert so I can sit while they go.
Outsiders have raised the price of it.
Guys, we're standing on a cardboard box so that she can be taller. I don't know if you can.
One more!
We are back.
I need a leg massage.
We're back from the concert, and it was
amazing.
that. I have no words, but it was also extremely tiring. We've been standing since 4. It is now 10. By the way. Also, I think concerts should be made height-wise.
Yeah.
मतलब
I
तुम्हारी
found
ये
my
height है.
box. I was very happy with it.
I was like, you know, people from 5'1" to 5'3" in the first section.
Shouldn't they should make like a platform which is like slanting, so the more you stand behind, you can still see.
Backwards?
Like it's higher.
So like an amphitheater almost.
Yeah, but it doesn't need to be like steps, like a ramp, like a very slow ramp would also be fine. That goes across the thing. What's happening?
The wrong exit.
We have to go on Atal Setu Bridge, which I have never been on. But that is the way home. We are lost. Everyone is dead. But yeah, everyone is tired, everyone's dead. We just ordered food home. We're gonna go